What's up guys, my name is Janine and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a quick product review video for the Bleds cordless glue gun that's actually available on Amazon. So I'll make sure to link it below. And we're gonna be using it to make an easy peasy fall DIY project that could be a centerpiece or just some added fall holiday decor to your house. It's actually a perfect time for me to receive a glue gun just because I'm knee deep in holiday decor. I'm not sure about you guys, but when it comes to the holidays, I love doing craft projects, DIY projects. I just have so much fun with it and I feel like my creative juices are just flowing. So this is a great time for me to test drive a new glue gun, especially cordless. This is actually my first cordless glue gun. I didn't even know that existed. I know, probably crazy. But yeah, let's get right into the key features and I'm excited to give it a try.
All right, so right when you open the box, there's a standard size glue gun. It's a pretty good normal size. I like the handle, it feels good, it's lightweight, the trigger is really easy. It comes with a normal kickstand to help it stand up. And I really love the nozzle size so that when the glue comes out, it's not like a huge goop of it. It has an on and off button to make sure you conserve the energy and the power of the battery. And what I think is so great and a great feature is not only can you use the kickstand, but there's also a base that you can take off or put on if you want. You just connect it and put it on, and it's a great way to just have it freestanding by itself. Look how cool that is. So you have two options to help it stand up. Or you could just do it the normal way with the kickstand in the front. It comes with a USB charger, which I think is great because we all have a USB port, and if you wanted to interchange the plug for some reason, this is very universal. It has an indicator to let you know that it's charging and let you know that it's on. And it comes with plenty of glue sticks. I believe it comes with 30 glue sticks actually. I think the cordless feature is so awesome because you're not tied down obviously by a cord. And it just makes it so easy to move around and complete your projects. All right, so I'm charging my glue gun. You see the indicator in the front letting me know that it's charging, and we're gonna gear it up for our fall DIY project. Okay, so here's our simple DIY project. We're just gonna glue on some fall foliage, and we're gonna pop in our little hedgehog guy. And I'm excited to use our glue gun. The glue is coming out at a great amount and it's coming out at a good temperature. I'm loving the flow of it. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just perfect. And with any glue gun, the temperature can get pretty hot, so make sure you be careful. Oh my gosh, our little hedgehog guy, his ear came off unfortunately, but our glue gun is here for the rescue and we were able to secure his ear back on. He's so cute. I'm just gonna stick him in right here next to his pine cone since he's already holding one. Okay, we're gonna add one last leaf. I love this color. I love all the fall colors, they're so beautiful. And there you have it, we're all done with our easy peasy fall DIY. How cute is it? I love the way it came out. I love the colors. I love my little hedgehog dude. And look how cute that is. Just add some candles around it and you're done. The Bleds glue gun came through, guys. I really like it. I highly recommend it. I think it's a great staple for any of your craft or DIY projects.
Okay, no seriously, how cute did this come out? I'm actually glad that I didn't add the huge sunflower because I feel like it would take away from it. I feel like the leaves give it that fall look that I was going for, and my Bleds glue gun came through. Love this. I love my little hedgehog guy, and the fact that we were able to rescue his little ear with the glue gun is perfect. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the Bleds glue gun that's available on Amazon. Once again, I'll make sure I link it below. And if you want to see more craft videos and more of me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!